Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to show you a really quick and easy hummus made in the Vibe blender. Start by adding 400 grams of drained chickpeas to the blender jug, along with 200 grams of tahini, 2 small chopped garlic cloves, some salt, and the juice of 1 lemon. Insert the tamp into the lid of the blender jug and blend on smoothie mode on low to medium speed until smooth. Use the tamp to push the mix into the blades. Then add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of cold water. Continue to blend, adding more cold water until you reach the texture you're happy with. Adjust the seasoning to your taste, and then you can serve straight away or keep it in a Luvele fresh vacuum canister in the fridge for up to a week. So there you go, a super delicious, creamy, simple, and very generous batch of hummus. Great for snacks, picnics, entertaining, good for school lunch boxes. This will get you through the week, no problem, and you've made it yourself. You know what's in there, what's not in there. We've also used our homemade tahini, which we also made in the blender, and we'll link that recipe for you below. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. Check out the blog on our website, and if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back very soon with another recipe.